So, our problem now. What is the volume in cubic centimetres of 0.34 moles of neon gas, 25 Celsius and 101 kilopascals pressure? This is a problem for the equation PV equals nRT. We've got a lot to do here, because in a lot of the cases of the values that we've got, we are going to have to do some conversion, and we're also going to need to rearrange the equation. And I think I'm going to start by rearranging my equation. But remember, when you're doing a problem like this, always start by quoting the equation PV equals nRT, because in exams that certainly gets you marks. So let's rearrange the equation to get V as the product as the subject, so we can take P down to the other side and we get V equals nRT over P. So let's have a look at the values of the variables that we have. Well, N, well, that's very straightforward, 0.34 moles. R is the gas constant, 8.31. T is temperature, and our temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. We need to convert our temperature to Kelvin. That's going to be 25 plus 273 equals 298 Kelvin. P, our pressure, is 101 kilopascals. Again, we need to convert that into pascals by multiplying by 1,000. What about the neon? What about neon? Well, that doesn't really matter, because any gas will act in the same way, at least ideally will act in the same way. So therefore, it doesn't matter whether it's neon or oxygen or helium or whatever, we should get the same value. So let's take those values and stick them into our equation. So our equation, V equals nRT over P, 0.34 times 8.31 multiplied by 298 divided by our pressure, 101,000. So I'll do the sum. And I make that to be 8.34 times 10 to the minus 3. And that, of course, is in cubic meters. So we need to convert our volume from cubic meters into cubic centimeters. There are 1 million cubic centimeters in 1 cubic meter, so 8.34 times 10 to the minus 3 times 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeters, according to me gives me 8,340 cubic centimeters. Now I've taken that to 3 significant figures. If you do your own calculation, you will see the calculator comes out to be 328713, but that's irrelevant. the best we can do is 3 significant figures in this particular case.